I think what was tough was um, not being able to talk to anyone because I don't think anyone understood what I was experiencing. So if I'd say I'm not feeling, and I didn't know myself initially how to describe it. I've just all of these terms of I knew what I was feeling, but I don't think I was able to communicate entirely what I was feeling. Like I knew I had this pittish feeling in my stomach. I knew that I'd be scared to wake up. I didn't want to wake up. I wanted to always, uh, I found sleep. I found comfort in sleep because I felt like that was my escape. Um, and like waking up was a struggle. I didn't enjoy, and in fact I think that's something I'm still scared of. I don't like the sound of an alarm. Um, so yeah, I think waking up was tough because I didn't want to face a day. Every day I had to wake up because I had to wake up to something. I didn't enjoy that feeling of um, waking up to an alarm and then um, going to work. I think I had to do it. I was working every day, and there were days when, I mean, of course, I think every day was a challenge to sort of I didn't know how the day was going to pan out for me. I didn't know if uh, I think I'd be extremely conscious of being surrounded by people because if I needed to break down, I didn't know where I could do that. And so I think I was always conscious of where I was going to be, although that was not in my control because I think in my profession, I'm expected to be at different places at different times, and no 2 days are the same. There's no pattern to any day. So I think there was always that fear of wondering where I'm going to be. What if I have that feeling of low? What if I need to break down? And not knowing where to sort of um, have that moment to myself. And I was also, I think, conscious of people seeing it on my face. So um, mm, it was a lot of effort, I think, I think to show like everything was okay because it was not. And I think to keep smiling or to keep um, giving energy to people around me to kind of overcompensate to show that everything was okay or that I was feeling okay, I think was extremely exhausting. Before, of course, before it happened, in the time that I was suffering or struggling, I wish that I had come across that one person who said, I think I know what it is. And it probably would have just made the whole process much, much easier. So I felt like if I then shared my story with people, it would probably help a lot of people who till today are not aware of what they know they're not feeling their best or not feeling correct or feeling low or feeling unwell or whatever you want to call it. But I think it was important for me to break that down and to say, 1 second, this is what are you experiencing what I'm experiencing? Because this is what I went through. And I think that's what I wanted, because like I said, I think for me, the minute I understood the term depression, it just made it so much easier to deal with.